When you're working with electrical systems, accurately identifying the right breaker can save time, prevent accidents, and make your job far more efficient. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 breaker finders available on Amazon in 2025, all designed to help you locate circuits fast and with confidence. Let's begin with the Klein Tools ET310 Circuit Breaker Finder. This has become a go-to tool for both professionals and DIYers because of its accuracy and user-friendly features. It uses a simple two-part system, a transmitter that plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, and a receiver wand that scans your breaker panel. The ET310 gives you clear visual and audible cues when it detects the correct breaker. What makes this unit stand out is its built-in GFCI tester, which allows you to test safety outlets while locating breakers, adding an extra layer of utility. The overall design is compact, and the feedback from users highlights how easy it is to use, even for beginners. With over 10,000 positive reviews and counting, the Klein Tools ET310 is widely regarded as the most reliable and accurate breaker finder on the market. Next up is the Southwire 41210S Circuit Breaker Finder, another excellent performer known for delivering serious value for the price. Like the Klein, this unit also includes a GFCI tester and consists of a plug-in transmitter and a receiver. It's particularly appreciated for how quickly it identifies breakers with minimal false positive. Users often comment on how it's just as effective as premium models, but at a more accessible price point. The build quality is solid, and the LED indicators are bright and easy to read, even in lower lighting conditions. It's also praised for being lightweight and easy to store in your toolkit. For budget-conscious electricians or homeowners who want a dependable device without breaking the bank, the Southwire 41210S hits the mark. Our third pick is the Extech CB10 Circuit Breaker Finder, which offers a more manual experience but with excellent results. Unlike the previous two, this one doesn't come with GFCI testing, but it makes up for it in simplicity and reliability. You plug in the transmitter into the outlet, then use the receiver to scan the panel. The receiver lights up and beeps when it finds the correct breaker. What stands out here is the sensitivity adjustment feature, allowing you to fine-tune detection for environments with electrical interference. Reviewers note that it's a great choice for older homes or offices where wiring may be inconsistent. While it lacks some premium features, the CB10 is a reliable, straightforward tool that gets the job done efficiently, especially for users who prefer a no-frills approach. Coming in at number 4 is the Zircon Breaker ID Pro 300, which is built for more demanding tasks, including high-voltage commercial and industrial application. Unlike entry-level models, this one can detect circuits up to 300 volts, making it a top choice for professionals who work in larger facilities or with heavier equipment. Its transmitter and receiver system is intuitive, and the automatic detection feature is tuned for high precision. While this model is more expensive, electricians who use it regularly praise it for being incredibly fast and dependable, especially in complex environments. If you're working on high-capacity panels and need a breaker finder that can handle industrial-level jobs, the Zircon Breaker ID Pro 300 is the ideal tool. Finally, we have the Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit, a premium system designed for professionals who require a versatile tool that can trace both energized and non-energized wiring. It includes a receiver with adjustable sensitivity, a transmitter, and additional accessories like an NCV tester and built-in flashlight. Unlike simpler breaker finders, this tool allows you to trace wire paths through walls, floors, and ceilings. It's especially useful for remodeling, complex installations, or troubleshooting without opening up every outlet or junction box. The hard-carrying case and robust build quality make it a solid long-term investment for serious contractors. While it's not necessary for simple residential use, the ET450 is unmatched in versatility for pro-grade circuit detection.